Welcome back, me people. I'm gonna show you just a small tour of the shop. Seems like they got delivery today. This is Afro-Caribbean shop. Okay, I need to get some.
Hello.
Hello, you okay? You have Caribbean Mr. Brown seasoning?
Yes.
Okay. Is it here the seasonings?
How many
Oh,
one?
thank you. I need two.
Two.
They $1.99. That is a good price.
Yes. Anything else?
Thank you. That's it. Can I do a little tour of your shop? Is that okay? Thank you. So what do you have mainly? African and Caribbean food here?
And Latin American one as well.
Oh, okay, great. So I'm gonna have a look around. They have oils here, flowers, lots of different flowers. This is the section with the seasonings. Halipa seasonings, tropical sun, Raja, Dance River, all Jamaican seasonings and Caribbean seasonings, and bread, sardine, tin food, festival mix. I like festival. Coconut powder. Okay, what is this? Stockfish steak. Fish steak. Okay. So this is the shop. Some dry fish as well. Well, what is there? Ugo leaves. I think that is some African leaves and some dry food from Africa. Lots of dry food they send in here. I go to delivery. Yeah. Seems like lots of dry fish they selling. The prawns. Never seen these stuff before. Some catfish, garlic paste. There's the storage. Oils. Loads of even fruit punch. Loads of oils. What is this? Sugar. The rice. Oh, and this is like the season, the flavors. Vanilla flavor, nutmeg flavor, pineapple. Most of the stuff are from Jamaica. Vanilla essence, corn flour. So, and they sell also big pots of seasoning for people who likes their seasoning. They can get a really big pot of it. Everyday seasoning, all-purpose seasoning is 700 grams. So this is some. Oh, this is. I think this is in Spanish. So I think this is the Latino American stuff here. Yeah. Some chocolate Corona. Okay, rice, Halipa rice they sell. Salt, lemon juice, loads of different oils. See, loads of big rice. Oh, and here I didn't show these seasoning. Dried lime. Seems like everything that people really need they can find in this shop. Loads and loads of different kind of things. What I didn't see nowhere else. This is like loads of peas in this section. Loads and loads of peas. Spinach per. This is a tin food here. Peas and lentils. What is this? Soya. Yeah, this is soya chunks. Soya milk. Crispy onion. Honey beans. Like I guess they have any kind of beans in this shop. Really, any kind of beans. Pigeon beans, pigeon peas, black beans. Lots and lots of different beans here. But I didn't show this side. Punch. Like people can mix it with a drink. Oh, okay, I think this is like the American section. You see, I can see American important from USA. Okay, so I think this is like the American crisp where people cannot find it nowhere else than here. See, jalapeno pizza flavor. Some for pancakes, some stuff. Peanut butter, Snickers peanut butter, different kind of spreads. Yeah. Wow, a lot of different kind of things they have in the shop. I think this is most of the what is important from Latino America, as he said. Peas again, loads of rice. The shop is not so big on the size, but they have loads and loads of things here. Lots of beans. Lots of beans. This aisle is jolipa beans. Jolipa beans in this aisle. Some fridge here. Oh, they sell even bami. I never knew people can buy it. I know people can make it. Bami. Different, and this is some fish in the fridge. Saltfish. For people who like to make ackee and saltfish, they can put this saltfish here. This is the Jamaican cheese for the bun. Patty, they have loads of different drinks. Irish moss. Strongback. I hear of this drink, but I never tried Strongback. Yeah. Mostly Jamaican things. See that? Okay, what else? The most important section is the ackee for me. They sell loads of different kinds of ackee. Kalaloo, jackfruit, kalaloo and ackee, fufu. Different kind of flowers and look, yeah, really big yam. Yeah, that's a shop here. Oh, they have also different kind of teas, herbal teas. Pumpkin soup mix for pumpkin soup, cooked soup, pumpkin soup, bun.
Right there next to the buns.
Churcho.
Which one you want? Tell me and I think it's
I think I'm gonna get churcho as well. I like having churcho in my soup. Garlic, yam,
Mommy, what's your problem?
okra,
What's your problem?
scotch bonnet, the little juice, noodle, everything. Let me porridge mix. What am I going to get? So I'm getting the seasonings, and I'm gonna get one churcho. One nice churcho. This is the entrance to the shop. Alright now. So I'm gonna go pay for my stuff. This is the till. They have holy things in the till.
99 pence लगा देना.
Did I show this?
उसको only 1 को 0
This
कर
is
दे.
the kind of things that people I could buy in America. The macaroni, tin food, bread, hardo bread, holy different breads, African bread, bun.
बहन का तूने भेजा नहीं ये बोलता था हम जाएंगे कुछ भी नहीं भेजता देखता भी नहीं है बस ईदी बनाता है ईदी बना रहा है काम जो ताकि से मैं बोलता हूँ don't worry I just see the way you look at me, you know.
Yeah, you're like, you're chatting me.
No. We chat about you, chat in English, you know. Now I'm asking me about a bank.
Hello?
come in.
When you do wood,
Alright. Oh,
Thank you.
I'm gonna show the outside as well. This is like some crisps.
I mean, you must not
These things then are important from America, no?
these are
Yeah.
Jamaican, you know what? The Cheetos.
Jamaican, yeah.
ये किधर से आता है वो? This come from Jamaica, where? America,
America,
yeah,
I
America,
thought
yeah,
so.
you're right.
And this is aloe vera leaf. Okay. I'm gonna take my trolley, my basket.
Thursday.
Testing, Patty.
Thursday coming. 6:90.
Oh, Thursday.
Yeah.
Thursday, Stacy.
Let me see from outside how it looks. Sweet potato, green banana, green plantain, even coconut. They have pumpkin, yam, big yam. A heap of different things.
तारीख जो लगा है ठीक है ना? सही है।
Manish water.
सुबह के लगा।
I don't like that. I would never eat that. Manish water. Now they have a time, nice fresh time. Okay. I'm gonna be the next person in the lane.
It's okay, can I have the up one? Because my baby is 900.
You want the 1 year one?
Yeah, up one.
Oh, the Shirley biscuits, they're nice. I tried in my review, Jamaican food review. But I didn't try this one, I tried the coconut one. Coconut one nicer.
No, that's the honey bee. You want the mixed one? That's the
Plantain
mixed one.
crisps.
I'll show you.
Okay.
Confused?
Yeah, I'm confused. Thank you.
Thank you.
कर दिया यार तुम्हारा काम मैं कर रहा हूँ।
Okay, now
ये इसका है।
my turn.
This guy, yeah, just stay with them now.
So can I pay by card, please? And I don't need no bag. I always carry
Please,
in
please.
my own bags.
बास्केट के अंदर डाल दे।
24.87 please.
How much? £4.
24.87.
24.
Yeah, because of you video and everything, so I
Oh.
have to charge £20 for that.
और क्या लिशेरा?
For the promotion, yes. You should pay me for the promotion.
This is for what? Video.
For the video, for the YouTube.
For the Egypt.
Yeah.
You taking the Caribbean show for the Egypt. Video of the Egypt.
No, for the YouTube I'm talking about.
Sorry, say again. Egypt.
YouTube.
Oh, you. Oh, sorry. So you take me. My fault.
Yes.
On the YouTube. So I'm gonna be on the YouTube.
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much.
You're gonna be very famous.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you please put my stuff in my bag, please?
Where is it?
Because what did you? Oh, here you put it. Because I always like to save the environment, you know.
No problem. That's
Always
fine.
go.
That's we have.
But do you have here also some shampoos and stuff?
Which
Or what
one?
is
No,
it?
that's the kind of rubbing alcohol.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Rubbing alcohol, bear, those things.
The best Afro-Caribbean shop in Croydon, yes? Best Afro-Caribbean shop in Croydon.
Yeah.
And breadfruit you have as well.
Yeah, yeah. That's the Jamaican roasted one.
Wow. Wow.
16.90.
Nice. So how much is it like for one breadfruit? It's quite expensive, no?
Different rate. I think it's 7 pound, 8 pound something.
£7. Hmm. That's okay. I thought it's more than that. Okay. So thank you for the tour.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Take care, yeah? Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Okay, that was me showing the tour of the shop. I hope you like it and see you next time in my next video.